What's up, guys? Joel from Malicious Mischief here. I am hard at work on Project F250 and Jake is working away on his stuff. But we did a video for you guys on the new Dodge Dart that the director just got. We definitely want to show it to you. So I'm going to keep working on this. You go check that out. I'll meet you back here when you're done.
Well, what's happening? Are you having a good day today? I hope so. Look what we're doing something. You want to know what we're doing? We're heading to pick up a new arrival. It's a car. And it's a pretty cool one. What is the car there, Tom?
It's a 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger 340.
Ooh.
4-speed.
4-speed. And it's green. It's gonna match his other car. So this car out here, you remember this car. Whoa, there's a turn. We're trying to find it and survive the drive. This car is gonna get dropped off. And we're in a little bit of a hurry because we're a little bit late, and you know how all that goes. And this gentleman's waiting for us, this delivery guy. You don't mess with these guys. They're like, here's your car. It was gonna be in Coeur d'Alene, but now it's in Post Falls. Come get it. So we're coming to get it, and then we're gonna find. Did you just find
somewhere? Oh, I was one block off.
We're one block off. Oh, look at that. Oh, there it is, unloaded already, and everything. Oh man, how you feel, Tom?
I've been excited about the car.
That's right. Well, we'll pause here for a minute. We'll get it, and then we'll jump back in. We're driving that one. Sweet. All right, we're in it. In it to win it. Look at this. This looks like a different view. Outside.
What the crap is this?
What the crap is this? These seats are cushier. Cushier seats.
It's like
It's a big moment. Oh, it runs. It sounds different. I like the sound, man. What do you think of the sound?
It's louder.
Yeah. Oh, I like it. Oh, it sounds good. That's how you start out with the first drive. You gotta get on a little bit to know what's up. Oh, that's cool.
I was good to see the mirror flops all over like all the others.
Yeah, that way you know it's working like it's supposed to. How's it shifting?
I forgot, no synchros into first.
That's cool. Man.
My legs are gonna have to get used to the clutch.
The clutch, yeah. As soon as you turn, you gotta give first impressions. My first impression is the seat's cushier. It's a cushier seat. I like the color better. I like the sound better. I like the hood better. And you know, mostly that's important, what I think about your car. I think it sounds great. All right, we'll talk a little bit more later after he gets a little feel for it, you know? Yeah. I'm starting over here because I want to show the two green cars. Two green machines. Well, we made it back. And now it's in your driveway. And it's dusty as dust. We need to do some cleaning.
Yeah, it was on the back of a truck for 2,000 miles, so
yeah,
it's a little dirty.
A little bit. What did you think of your drive back? A little learning curve, a little bit like,
yeah,
you know, getting a feel for the car.
Yeah, I gotta get accustomed to leaving a stop with a clutch again.
Yeah,
I haven't been doing that for a lot of years.
Since you said the Mustang.
Yeah, we don't. That car never existed.
It does. This man right here, he won't admit it, but he owned a Mustang.
I think you dreamed that.
It might have been.
And it was for less than a year, if it ever happened, allegedly.
If it ever allegedly happened. But now we got this baby right here. It's just like, it's dirty. But we got some cool stickers and stuff on here. Back from '83. You can't see that because I'm right in the way. Everything's right in the way. Mopar Nationals. So you say that's like some sort of a big deal?
Yeah, there's 2 really big Mopar shows in the country each year. One of them's in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and the other one is in Columbus, Ohio.
Oh.
And that's the Columbus, Ohio event that's the Mopar Nationals. But they're both pretty big shows.
Cool.
They've both been around for several years.
Well, now we do some cleaning. It's gonna look way better, I think, because we cleaned this one all up. It's all shiny.
And then it rained 2 days later.
Yes, of course. That was our fault. Sorry, everybody. But this baby needs some dust work done. So we're gonna get busy. All right, ready? Action. No. You can get closer. It's your brand new prize. not
over
not
here?
to me. Yeah, to the car. Well, congratulations, man. This is a beauty. This is pretty sweet.
It's cleaner in some ways and dirtier in others.
Yeah. How do you feel though now that it's all cleaned, or mostly clean, and in your driveway after the long wait?
It's time to start looking for another one.
Is it?
Had this one for a couple hours now.
Couple hours and it needs to go.
I have to keep it at least 3 weeks
Yeah.
because that's when my appointment with the DMV is.
That's and you need to wait till that's over?
Well, I have to transfer it to my name. I guess then I have to wait for the title to come back.
Yeah. Well,
So,
and it
weeks.
does a pretty good job matching the other car. Like, that's kind of cool. It's not exactly, but it isn't far off. I mean, that's pretty close. Slightly lighter, maybe.
Yeah, this one looks a little lighter.
Yeah.
This one has some metallic in it.
Well, I'm glad you made it. What are you gonna do to it next?
Take it jumping.
Sweet. That's awesome.
We haven't jumped your Raptor yet, though, so it's not jumping until we jump the Raptor.
We haven't jumped it yet. That's awesome, man. Well, congratulations once again. I think it's super cool. It's pretty fun to be here and check it out, don't you think? What do you guys think? I think it's pretty sweet, huh? Do a quick walk around this baby, but it's in nice condition. Let's do it. All right, man. You gotta take us out.
340, baby.
That's a good. That is perfect. Awesome. All right. Well, we'll take it out jumping next, and we're gonna try the drone on this baby. You know, like see if we can get some drone footage. That'd be pretty exciting. I like it. So you have my approval, and
Well, that's good. That's the only important thing.
that's all you really cared about. I like it. It's awesome. All right, man. 340 and cut.
Oh, hey, you guys all done with Uncle Jake? Terrific. Well, made some good progress on the 250 here. You'll be able to check that out next week. Hope you liked that video. If you did, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when we're hanging out. And if you want to follow us on Instagram for behind the scenes stuff, it's Mischief for All. Check that out. All right, I love you. Bye.
Bonus footage. Look what I got. I got keys to the green machine. Now, this should be awesome. Because he told me he wanted me to park the car for him. Well, as I'm looking at things here, I pretty much think, oh, music, volume, I pretty much think the best way would be to drive around the block. Let me see if I can turn the fan down. Well, that's got a knob for the fan. I like that. Let's back up. Oh, we got the green lines. We do not want to curb rash these tires. Holy cow, he's got this tight. I'm making me nervous. Okay. That should be good enough. All right. Commence operation. Park the car by driving around the block. Oh, we got to totally drive around the block. Kids like it. Ooh, this is nice. This drives very nice. Look at that cool hood scoop too. Oh, what's this? Oh, seatbelt, seatbelt. Hold on. Seatbelt, okay. I don't really like the looks of that street for turning around, you know what I mean? Yeah, nah, we gotta be more responsible than that. Look at the kids. Everybody loves this car. Oh my gosh, this car is awesome. Oh, I like this street. Let's turn down this way. Oh my gosh, this car is so much fun. Hold on. Yeah, we're looking good. You think he's wondering where we're going yet? Like I said, I just got to get the right approach angle. It's very important to take care of his car and be responsible. And the way I feel like we're most responsible is if we drive a long way around the block, maybe out to 15th where I can actually give it just a tad bit of fuel. Oh man, this is great. The power! This puppy has some power. Holy cow. Now the Raptor does. In fact, the Raptor, don't tell the director, but don't tell Tom, but my Raptor has more power. But only by a little bit. And it also has probably several thousand pounds extra. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go right here. We might have to get on just a little bit, right? Holy smokes, wow. That's really awesome. Okay, this is a sweet car. Oh man, this puppy has some power. I barely got on it. This is one where you have to be a little careful, a little respectful of the power that this baby has. I like the gauges too. They're kind of retro, you know what I mean? Can you see that if I'm got the camera in the right spot? Oh, we're turning here. Hold on, let's pay attention to our driving. We got to get it back in one piece. It's so much fun. Oh, it's so much fun. This car is sweet. I tell you what, the color too. Everybody looks at the color in the car. Hello, hi there, ladies. Everybody seems to like the car. This is pretty fun. All right, we're circling around now. Oh, let's get out of people's way. Here we go. Oh, sounds good too. Yeah. Now I know he's changed out the exhaust. I like the steering wheel too. Wow, we gotta do a review on this car. It'll be like we totally gotta do. I wonder if he'll let us take it for a review. Yeah, it doesn't hurt to ask. Maybe not right now. Okay, here we come. We're coming back up. He's a ways around the corner. I think we went a little ways away. He should appreciate that we were willing to drive it that far in order to get a good parking. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're like super responsible. Yeah, I like this. Ooh, paddle shifters. Oh, man. You could have so much fun with this car. Okay, we're coming up. He should be really happy to see us. And probably thank us like crazy. Here he is. There's a Raptor. There he is. He didn't look worried at all. All right, let's park this puppy. We better do a good parking job now after all that, you know what I'm saying? Easy does it. Oh, the brakes are touchy. Doesn't have a forward-facing front camera that we can use. Let's go give him back his keys. That was fun. Okay, and cut. That's what he would say. Let's kill it. All right, thanks for joining. We're gonna do a fairly quiet, crazy face fist bump of friendship. Whoop-ow.